The pyramid shown is a right pyramid. Remember, this means that the vertex is vertically above the center of the base. We want to find the volume of the pyramid. We know that the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. In this case we have 1/3. The base is a square 8 by 8, giving 64, and the height of the pyramid is 6. Calculating this gives us 128 centimeters cubed. We now want to find the surface area of the pyramid, giving our answer correct to 3 significant figures. When working out surface area, it's a good idea to consider the net, even if you don't draw the net explicitly. The net here consists of a square and 4 isosceles triangles. I know the triangles are isosceles because it's a right pyramid, and therefore the vertex is directly above the center of the square. The square is 8 by 8, so I know its area is 64 centimeters squared. The 4 triangles are the same, so if I can work out the area for one of them, I can then multiply that by 4. Let's look at one of these triangles in a larger drawing. I know that this side is going to be 8 centimeters. I need to find the height of the triangle here. And on the picture here, this is this length from the vertex down the face to the center of the side. I can complete a right-angled triangle here. Draw this triangle out. It's a right-angled triangle. This length here is half of 8, and the height is 6. We want this side, and we can use Pythagoras' theorem in order to find it. Pythagoras' theorem says that a squared is b squared plus c squared. A is always the hypotenuse, and b and c are the shorter sides, so we can have 6 squared plus 4 squared. So h squared is 36 plus 16, which is 52. H then is the square root of 52. Root 52 is 7.21 and so on, and I'm going to store this value as the last answer in my calculator. The surface area of the pyramid is going to be the 64 plus 4 triangles. The area for each is given by a half, times the base of the triangle, which we know is 8, times the height, which is 7.21, and so on. Calculating this gives us 179 0.37 and so on, which is 179 centimeters squared, correct to 3 significant figures.